Most gurus tell you the same thing. To scale your agency, you need to hire a team. They're wrong. Hiring doesn't scale your profit. It scales your overhead. It scales your stress. And it kills your margins. The real secret to scaling in 2026. Stop hiring humans. Start deploying agents. I've spent the last year stripping away the bloat. I replaced my lead gen specialist, my onboarding coordinator, and my project manager with a handful of OpenAI assistants and Make.com workflows. The result? Higher output, zero payroll, maximum take-home pay. Today, I'm giving you the exact blueprint for the zero-employee agency. I'll show you step-by-step how to automate your lead generation, your client onboarding, and your fulfillment. By the end of this video, you'll know how to stop managing people and start managing systems. Let's dive in. You've been fed a lie. The traditional agency playbook says the only way to scale is to hire. Get a VA for admin. Hire an account manager for clients. Bring on a specialist for fulfillment. Sounds like growth, right? Wrong. In reality, you aren't building a business. You're building a management nightmare. Suddenly, you aren't the visionary anymore. You're a full-time babysitter. Your days are consumed by Slack messages, quick sync Zoom calls, and fixing mistakes your team made because they didn't follow the SOP. Here is the brutal math. As your team grows, your overhead explodes. You're paying for software seats, payroll taxes, and the mental energy required to keep humans aligned. Your revenue is climbing, but your actual take-home pay, it's stagnating. You've fallen into the growth trap. You scaled your stress, not your freedom. You're working harder than ever just to afford the people who are supposed to be helping you. It's a fragile system. One key employee quits, and your entire fulfillment engine collapses. There is a better way. A way where your team consists of autonomous agents that don't sleep, don't complain, and cost pennies on the dollar. Stop hiring. Start building. Most agency owners think the only way to grow is to add more people to the payroll. But more people means more Slack messages, more mistakes, and more overhead eating your margins. The alternative: the zero-employee agency. This isn't about being a lonely solopreneur. It's about replacing expensive human management with scalable system management. Let's break down the 3 pillars of this framework. Pillar 1, automated lead generation. Most of you are paying a VA thousands a month to scrape lists and send generic templates. That's a waste of money. Instead, use Make.com to connect your lead source, like Apollo or LinkedIn, directly to an OpenAI assistant. Don't just find the lead. Have the AI analyze their latest LinkedIn post or their website's about page. Then, tell the assistant to write a hyper-personalized hook based on a specific pain point. You move from sending 1,000 spam emails to 50 high-conversion messages. Your AI doesn't sleep, it doesn't take breaks, and it costs pennies per lead. Pillar 2, the frictionless onboarding bridge. This is where most agencies leak profit. Chasing signatures. Begging for passwords, stop it. The moment a Stripe payment hits, Make.com should trigger a sequence. It sends the PandaDoc contract, creates a dedicated Slack channel, and generates a Google Drive folder for the client. The client feels like they have a dedicated account manager. In reality, it's just a well-mapped JSON string. Pillar 3, the fulfillment engine. This is the hardest part to automate, but it's where the real money is. Stop relying on junior employees to follow your SOPs. They'll forget step 4. Your AI won't. Build a custom OpenAI assistant and feed it your entire methodology, your frameworks, your past successful deliveries, and your brand voice. Now, instead of a team member spending 5 hours on a client deliverable, the AI does the heavy lifting in 30 seconds. Your job shifts from doing the work to reviewing the work. You become the editor-in-chief of your agency, not the bottleneck. This is how you scale to $20K, $50K, or $100K a month without your stress levels scaling with it. You aren't managing people. You're managing a machine. To build this yourself, you need the right engine. I use Make.com for the glue and OpenAI assistance for the brain. I've put the direct links to both in the description, so you can set this up today. Now, look at the math. Instead of paying thousands in salaries, you're paying a few $dozen in API credits. Your overhead vanishes. Your profit margins hit 90% plus. This isn't just about the money. It's about buying back your freedom. No more managing people. No more chasing deadlines. Just a streamlined system that works while you sleep. If you're ready to stop being a manager and start being a true owner, hit the subscribe button. Click the links below, grab Make.com, and start building your zero-employee agency right now.